had lots of different vendors, lots of different speakers, lots of different vibes, and most importantly, it had union. It had a unity of like-minded individuals in a like-minded culture, in a like-minded space and time, and it was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. Everyone got along. There was not one person, there was not one fight, there was not one issue that I recognized. There was all love, all vibes from the beginning. And that's the kind of shit that we need to surround ourselves with the real community, not the get rich quick gimmick bullshit that we see sometimes in this community. Like, no, like we know what we got around here, and it's beautiful, it's lovely, it's joyful, and we recognize that, we know that, and we need to continue to organize, to facilitate. And so that's why the topic of today's discussion is community. It's that important. Communication across a union of people. It's important because in order to get anything done, in order to get any of your desires, wants accomplished, you need to know this. You need to have a sense of community, because how could you learn something, do something, everything all by yourself your whole life? Like, that's not the case at all. Like, we all get passed down knowledge, we all get influenced and inspired by other people and helped out by other people. It takes a village to do anything, to accomplish anything. It takes a village. Okay, so it's very important to recognize that it takes a village to accomplish anything worthy of anything. Okay, you could be by yourself and get the most done, but that literally will only be always a fraction of what you could truly do with your time. Okay, so why does community apply so much to our space? Well, in order to preserve what we actually have built, a beautiful sense of a community, we need to address it and recognize it as a community. I mean, which it is, right? But we need to literally unionize in the sense of like us coming together more often for groups, for group thinking, for how we want to go about things. Like, we are literally the stewards of this industry, and if we don't pick up the tab, Big Pharma will, and we're not going to be happy. We're all going to complain. So we need to begin to organize, because it's beneficial to all of us, regardless of what it is. If we know our goals, our desires, our needs, we could meet them with the help of everyone else doing the exact same thing, literally. Like, and most of the time, everyone that I have encountered in this space, right, they're all doing all of this work out of the passion in their heart. Not even about the money, it's about the passion, what they could do, the impact, and I live for those people, man. And so this physical space allowed for them to organize such a organic event that caters towards educating others, and that's what we need, because in this community, regardless or despite us having the work done, we do a terrible job of communicating that work, simply put, because the public's reaction to mushrooms is evident. They don't know what the fuck it is. They don't know, like, it's just, yeah, the statistics, the research is done, but the public, the civilian level, they're so unaware, out of the picture, that, there's only the only folks to be responsible is us. I mean, Jesus Christ, and it is what it is. But anyways, community is important, because you want to accomplish anything, you want to put yourself around those kinds of people. Proximity, right? And so that's what we're doing. We're just simply nurturing the culture that already exists. We're not influencing anything. We're not trying to create something. We're not doing any of that. We're just simply nurturing what is. And we recognize that this is the truth. This is real. And our community has the potential to be great. Our community has the potential to be an ethical industry. And it's up to us to take charge. And shoulda, coulda, woulda, I don't give a fuck. I see myself as a steward. Like, we are responsible for this as a tool, as a resource. If not you, then who? If you aren't sourcing these grandparents their lovely chocolate bars, then some dumbass on Telegram is, and that is insane to think about, because this is medicine, and I'm tired of treating this shit like a drug. I don't, literally, everything I do is literally legitimate. I'm breaking no laws. I'm following ethical codes, I'm following the real codes of life, and I'm breaking no laws, and I know that, I recognize it, and I'm at peace with that. And so it's important for us to recognize like what it is that we have. We have a community, we have a sense of community and organization. Let's do something with it. And that's what I was shown. Like we could do stuff with our community. We could do stuff with our community. We could leverage what we have and do stuff astonishing. Like, imagine if we do this whole campaign public stunt marketing thing where we're like, let's go give everyone that's going to war across the world, let's go sponsor the microdoses. Like, you know how stupid and crazy that sounds? But that's the kind of shit that we need, because that's what we could do. We just need to organize more. We already have the resources, we already have the manpower, the woman power, we already have everything in line. We just need to do it. We just need to click the fucking button and get started, okay? Because time is of the essence. Literally right now we're seeing these crazy big old moguls attempt to come in and do something here, and they're failing. So we have the opportunity right now to really do something wonderful. But yeah, guys, that wraps up this quick little video. I hope you found it useful, entertaining. Onto the next idea, and that's the truth. That's life. God bless you guys. Enjoy this video. I hope you really find some value in it. Share it. You watching this is all the support that we need. But if you would like to, you can.
Types of, because everyone knows that recycle number on plastic is bullshit, right? That triangle, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to get recycled. It just indicates what the plastic's composed of. And I think the main issue with some of the chemicals used in those are certainly toxic or carcinogenic. Maybe I don't know what's going to happen with that large scale in the future, if there's going to be like more bioplastic. The bummer for me is that, things are so divided in this country that politically right now, ideologically, that even mentioning wanting to do something about it triggers, an entire ideological side of the spectrum, and they just have a reactionary, bent against it. Now they're like, fuck it, we're going to take more straws, like we're going to throw more straws in the oceans. All right, this is where we are, I hope we, go past this point culturally at some point, but personally, I'm looking to maybe dip out of the country in 5 to 10 years.
Technically, so we're walking out the event, possible after party at the same location.